Samsung dishwashers include a digital leak sensor that can help you detect small water leaks in your kitchen before the possibility of extensive water damage occurring. Many dishwashers require a leak large enough to raise a float before they shut off, but a Samsung dishwasher can detect a leak of only 55 milliliters. Located below the dishwasher, the sensor immediately shuts off the electrical connection at the first sign of a leak. Unfortunately, leaks can occur, but with a Samsung dishwasher with a digital leak sensor, a leak doesn't have to turn into expensive water damage.